Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about fruit farms in Mexico.
Okay, let's watch.
I'm Diego. I'm from Mexico. My country has got lots of fruit. Can you see the bananas and the mangoes? There's some watermelon too. Watermelons grow here. This is my uncle. He's got a farm. There are big watermelons on the farm. There are fruit trees too. These are lemon trees. Here are the yellow lemons. Are these lemons? Yes, they are. They're green lemons. Lemons can be yellow or green. These are peach trees. Here are the peaches. Oh, look! Here's the donkey. He's big and brown. Pineapples grow here too. There are lots of pineapples on the farm. This is my uncle's kitchen. My uncle and I like pineapples. Pineapple is my favourite fruit. Yum! Let's eat.
Pineapples don't grow here, but strawberries grow here.
Apples and pears grow here too.
Mmm.
What fruit grow in your country?